Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video. And as the title says, I will be trying the new Maybelline Superstay foundation. So if you're interested in it, just keep on watching. So guys, I finally got my hand on the Maybelline foundation, the Superstay full coverage up to 24-hour wear foundation. I got it from Fontana Pharmacy. Have my bag, my receipts and everything. But the cost was $2,120.30. So this is the foundation. This is my first time trying any foundation from Maybelline. I've never used a Fit Me or any other product that they came out with, and this is in the shade 356 Warm Coconut. And the claims on this foundation is that full coverage. It's full coverage up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. So fade and transfer resistant, that's a big claim, and breathable and comfortable. I don't really do the full coverage thing. I don't like full coverage. If you notice that on my channel, I just put enough that, not that I need it actually, full coverage. I don't need full coverage, but I like radiant foundations, I like breathable foundations. I don't like my face to feel cakey or heavy. So this says it's breathable, so let's see. And it has a pump. Praise Jesus. Like if you do makeup often, you know how important it is to have a pump on your foundation, right? So because this is a full coverage and matte, I am going to use a hydrating primer. I have normal skin, yeah. Sometimes like right here, like my nose, my T-zone gets oily, but very rarely. It doesn't happen often. I'm going to start off with my Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm going to use the Make Moonlight primer. I got this in my Ipsy Glam bag, and I don't know if I told you guys this, but I cancelled my subscription to Ipsy because the bags are getting, like, I don't want to say monotonous, but like I wasn't excited about them anymore, so I just stopped it. It don't make sense to waste my coins and I'm not enjoying the bag. We're going to go in with the foundation. I have my beauty blender and I also have a kabuki brush. I feel like on one half of my face I'm going to use the brush, and the other half I'll use the beauty blender just to see, you know, the difference, if there is any. So since this is a new product, I'm shaking it because I don't know if it got, like, the ingredients got separated or anything, so I'm just shaking it. And I don't even know if this is water based or silicone based or anything. Well, it knew say not pumping yet. Okay, one pump. That's one pump there. Put it on. I like how it feels though. The texture of it is not bad. Alright, maybe I need one more pump or half a pump. The texture isn't bad, guys. The texture of this foundation is really nice. How it feels on my finger. And I just need to blend this out. As I said, half of my face I'll be using the brush. Oh, when I'm say full coverage, I'm never there a joke at all. I feel like this is one shade lighter than me. What do you think? No, like I don't feel like this is my perfect. When they said full coverage, they were not joking. And this dries down fast, faster than my L'Oreal Infallible, faster than my LA Girl. So I'm glad I did. I'm glad I'm only doing half and then the next half. So that was 2 pumps on half my face. You guys, let me zoom you guys in to see my skin. this is the side without foundation. So foundation, no foundation. Actually like the finish, you know. Actually like the finish. So I just need to put one more pump on my hand because I didn't finish that. So this was actually like 1.5 pumps. And I'm going to swipe it on my skin as I did before. Guys, I like this foundation. I never thought I would like this foundation because of the full coverage and the matte aspect, but actually I like this foundation. So I'm going to see how it works with my other products, like my highlighting, contouring and so forth. So I just need to speed through that. Alright, what I'm going to do is just set my highlighted areas and bronze, because I don't think I need to set this foundation with powder. I've never done that before, but I feel like it's too matte, and if I put powder on top of it, it might be too dry. It might look too dry. Or maybe I just dust a little bit off my L'Oreal Infallible. You know what, I should have tried this with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow powder. That's why I'm going to get that powder and try it with this foundation. This is my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and I just going to like, that's all the powder. That's all the powder. No more powder. No more setting powder. And then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. And the only thing I have to do is like put on blush and highlight and do my brows. But this foundation, I'm looking like a snack. That's so weird. But this foundation is really nice, guys. I love it so far. So guys, this is the foundation after I put it on 12:30 and it's now 3:52. So far I am loving this foundation. This foundation is magnificent. Usually I see like creasing in my smile lines, not as much as I usually see, and the finish is matte. As you saw, I barely put any powder on my face. You know what, I want to test the transfer. On the bottle it said transfer resistant. Let me just get a piece of paper. There's nothing on it, barely. And it could also be the powder that I used. So this is indeed a transfer, so far transfer resist. Oh, and if you want the tutorial for this look, I think it's going to be up before the foundation review. So if you're watching this, just I'll leave the foundation, not the foundation, but the tutorial for the purple look in the iCards, or I will and in the description box below. So run over and check out that video. And guys, I usually do warm looks and the orange and stuff, but I am definitely feeling this purple. Definitely feeling this purple. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.